Hey everybody, I wanted to say hi and introduce you to some of the paintings that are in my studio right now. So let's take a quick look through my gallery. Behind me here I have Red Pagoda. And some of you don't know that I lived in Asia when I was growing up, so a lot of my artwork has some sort of Asian influence to it. So here's one of my paintings, again, Red Pagoda, and then here is Happy Life. And we come here and I have something that's kind of Korean influenced. And next is a painting that is made with encaustic wax. So do you see that beautiful texture that's in there? Oh my gosh, plus it smells fabulous. I love the smell of encaustic. And here's another painting done with Pebeo paints called Red Riot. Here's a little bit more of my Chinese influence. So the one on top here is called Fortune. And this one is something bamboo. I don't remember the name of it exactly. Oh, I know what the name of it is, Seven Charms. And the reason it's called Seven Charms is if you look here, there is a little mahjong piece and that has the word seven on it in Chinese. This piece is called Dynasty, this beautiful green and yellow. These are original pieces of artwork, by the way. And then this one is Healthy Life. So this is a piece that I did when I didn't feel well. And so I went ahead and I put some of the Chinese medicine boxes and some of the information from the Chinese packets right onto the painting. And then I used the words health in here. So that painting is about staying healthy. And then here are some of my Pebeo paintings. These are part of my Sea Song collection. So you can see they have that very dynamic and beautiful blue. And there's resin in there, and there's Pebeo reactive paints in there. Some of them have sand in them. They're just so much fun to make. Here's one that has sand in it, so you can get up nice and close and personal and see that. And these are little resin pearls. They shimmer, they shine, they're fabulous. And the last one I want to show you is one of my mixed media pieces here. It has resin on it and sand on it. And this piece is called The Pen is Mightier Than the Sword. So you can see the writing over here that I put on it. And there's actually a picture in there from an old dictionary that a friend gave me. It's way up here and it's actually a sword. So I got the idea because I love to do feathers. I got the idea when I put the feather on, oh my gosh, this piece just told me what it wanted to be. It wanted to be a piece about how important it is that we write and that we communicate with each other more so than resort to violence. And then next to me here is a piece that called Dancing Pen Pink. So in this piece I used some of the reflective Pebeo paints so that this piece, there's a blue undertone to the pink. It's a lot of fun to come and stand in front of it and watch how it shimmers and changes as you walk by it. And then the pen work that's done here gives it a feel of an Asian script, an ancient Asian script. And this is something that I have created my own sort of nomenclature dialogue, and it goes in the direction, you'll notice, of Chinese writing, because I grew up in Asia and that's what we did when I learned Chinese writing. You'll also notice that these pieces have my signature on it. So if you look down here, you'll see this is my signature. It's a T and an E standing for Tristina Elms. So if you're interested in any of these pieces of artwork, please make a comment down below. If you want to say anything to me about them, I would love to hear from you guys. So thanks, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.